Hello everyone and welcome to another Business Bootcamp video. Today we will be discussing risk management and worker protections. By the end of the video, you should understand what risk management is and how it protects both employees and the company. Firstly, we have a quote from former president of Goldman Sachs, Gary Cohn. He said, "If you don't invest in risk management, it doesn't matter what business you're in, it's a risky business." This essentially means if you don't invest now, you will suffer the consequences later. You may ask, why is risk management important? Well, risk management essentially consists of protecting your largest assets, your employees. If you invest in keeping your employees safe, they will not miss as many days, and they will be more motivated to come into work due to it being a risk-free environment. Also, if HR does everything they can to keep workers safe, the company has a much lesser chance of being liable for an accident that occurs. So, how does HR protect workers? Well, overall, the main objective is to remove all risks from the workplace. In order to do this, HR departments evaluate everything in their office in a multi-step process that we shall be discussing for the next couple minutes. Step 1. Identify hazards. When identifying hazards, it is important to find them as early as possible in order to prevent them from harming employees. Some typical hazards include wet floors, falls from heights, or dangerous equipment. However, risks could also include non-physical issues such as carpal tunnel syndrome, which comes from people typing for too long. Step 2. Evaluate and implement. In order to evaluate risks, you have to have a rubric. One strategy is to grade each risk on a scale of 1 to 5 based on severity and likelihood, for a total score being between 2 and 10. This rubric essentially tells you how bad the risk will be if it happens and the chance that this risk happens. Even if a risk has a likelihood of 1 and a severity of 5, it may be more important than a risk with a severity of 2 and a likelihood of 4, so make sure to keep a grade for each topic to go along with the total grade out of 10. You then need to choose based on the rubric which risks need to be addressed. If possible, try not to inconvenience employees when fixing risks. However, if it is unavoidable, be open with employees about how the inconvenience is for their own protection. Step 3. Control and reassess. Once you have completed the first 2 steps, you should use your knowledge to see how to prevent the risk from reoccurring, and how to handle it better next time. Doing this will make you more prepared and will ensure a higher rate of success long term. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have learned how risk management works and how it protects employees and the company. For more information regarding other aspects of business or Business Bootcamp in general, please visit www.businessbootcamp101.org or find us on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.